We do a deal. Whenever you come, I'm gonna serve you absolutely free meal. I promise you.
Thank you.
I am not gonna charge you nothing, okay? And I promise you. All right?
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem at all. No problem.
Your name?
Saga.
Saja.
Saga.
Saja.
Yeah.
Because I will pray to my God for your health and your prosperity.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Not to worry. If you wait a second, I will prepare a meal for you.
Yeah.
Okay? Are you gonna take some spice? A bit spicy, or you don't want spicy at all?
Spicy.
Little spicy. No problem at all. I'll serve you. Yeah? Just allow me a minute. No problem. Take it. No worries.